Now we are going to move on. I'm going to be teaching a song, a special piece composed by the late Dr. Mhlanga, who was a pioneer in Marimba education. He was the director of the Kwanongoma College of Music in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, where actually the marimbas that are being used in schools were first designed. And the piece I'm going to teach is one of his compositions called Maimbo, which means a collection of songs. I selected this piece because it clearly demonstrates playing melodies using the alternating technique. So we're going to start with the piccolo part. The piece is in 12/8, so the rhythm is so I'll play the first variation and then we're going to break it down together. As you can see, I'm alternating my mallets throughout the melody. Now we're going to start from C, right at the top. Starting with the right hand, you're going to go one, and then left hand, and then right hand again. So 3 times. And then you move to G, you do the same thing, but this time you start with your left hand. And then you move to A, this time you start with your right hand. G, start with your left hand. All right, from the beginning. So right hand first, right hand first, left hand first. C, G, A, G. Let's play that again. C, G, A, G. Next you move to E and G. Right hand on G, left hand on E. You're going to go G, E, G, E, G, E. That is 3 times. Let's take it from the beginning. C, G, A, G, G, E, G, E, G, E. Remember, you start with the G when you're going to the third, to the E. C, G, A, G, G, E, G, E, G, E. And the last part of that melody, right hand first, D. Also 3 times. And then C, left hand first. So D, right hand. And then left hand, C. From the top. Right, C, G, A, G, G, E, G, E, G, E, D. All right, so now you're going to play that melody over and over again. I'm going to go through that now. And you can increase the tempo. Right, let's move on to the second melody, the second variation. This time you start from E, also with your right hand. Now you're going to play 2 3s. That means you're playing 6 times. So in the same technique, right hand first, left hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you go to F with your right hand first, 3 times. Back to E, left hand, 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, you go to C and E. Left hand on C, right hand on E. And you go E, C, E, C, E, C. Also 3 times. So from the beginning, E, 6 times, F, E, E, C, E, C, E, C. Then the last part, right hand first, A. Left hand first, G, G, G. So the whole melody from E, right hand first, F, E, E, C, E, C, E, C, A, G, E, F, E. Right, so that is the second variation. I'm going to play first variation followed by the second variation, 2 times each. Right, good job. Now let's go on. Variation 3. Now this time the rhythm is going to change slightly. Now you're going to start with E and G. Starting with the G, you go G, E, G, E, G, C on your left. G, E, G, C. Again, G, E, G, C. And then you go back to G, G once, and then E, D with your left hand. You are repeating your left hand now. E, D, G, E, G, C, G, E, D, G, E, G, C, G, E, D. Again, G, E, G, C, G, E, D. And then the last part, G, E, and then G and C on your left together. Twice. G, E, G, C, G, E, D, G, E. So that last part, G, E, G and C together. Right, let me try now and put all 3 parts together, twice each. Right, now the last variation for the piece Maimbo goes like this. Right, so you're going to start from C, 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 E, E. You see, you're no longer playing in 3s now. So C, C, E, E, G, E, C, C, E, E, G, E. One more time. C, C, E, E, G, E. C, C, E, E, G, E. C, C, E, E, G, E. D, A, C, G, G. D, A, C, G, G. So C, C, E, E, G, E, D, A, C, G, G. C, C, E, E, G, E, D, A, C, G, G. All right. Now I'm going to put all 4 parts together. Right, those are the 4 main variations to the piece. Now, in the middle of the piece, there is a call and response part that the piccolo leads, and then the rest of the ensemble respond to that. This is how it goes. Right, so this part, that is the rest of the ensemble responding. And here are the keys. You start from E, and then go to G, and then A. E, G, A, and then that pause, and then A, G, E, and that pause again. So you keep repeating that. You can also add some dynamics to it. Play softly, loud. After that, the whole ensemble is going to stop, and then the piccolo will start the song right from the beginning. And it's up to you. You can decide whether to increase the tempo or play even a bit slower. So this time I'm going to increase the tempo. So I'll take it from the call and response. Right, so you can play that part again from the beginning, and then after that we move straight to the ending. In the ending, the piccolo you play on G and G, and here is the rhythm. And that is played 4 times. And then you end with C and C once together. All right, so 2, 3, 4, and the end. Right, that is your piece, Maimbo. I hope you are going to enjoy putting the piece together. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.